Gates Weber open racing. Dr. Jude hits the ground in the early part, followed by Janelle's episode. Pedro Panduco showing speed now, passing the winning post. Pedro Panduco takes the lead by flank, followed by Janelle's episode. Dr. Jude, here comes Latin cut around the outside. Majestic Queen, then followed by Master's Degree. Next on line now is Trojan Knight, running by the wheel. Diamond Luster, then followed by Do Re Mi, another 5 lengths. Then Hakuna Matata is next on line. Decent proposal while Holy King is running in the tail of the field. Down the half mile they travel. It's now Janelle's episode leading by some 2 lengths. Dr. Judah, Pedro Panduco from the outside, and moving up now is Majestic Queen. Inside the last 600, Janelle's episode hanging on with a 3 lengths lead. Pedro Panduco, Majestic Queen, Dr. Jude, Master's Degree. Entry number 4, Diamond Luster and Trojan Knight now as they swing for home with Janelle's episode leading by some 3 lengths, followed now by Majestic Queen on the outside, but still Janelle's episode, Majestic Queen on the outside, Janelle's episode, Majestic Queen on the outside, and finally the February. Janelle's episode close with Majestic Queen, then followed by Pedro Panduco, Hakuna Matata, Diamond Luster.